Hey everyone, it's Michael here from GoodieReader.com, and if you are a Nook owner or shop at Barnes & Noble and buy ebooks, there is some very important information that you need to know. Barnes & Noble is experiencing an outage on their Nook e-readers and Nook apps for Android and iOS. Purchased ebooks are not syncing, and this means that you cannot read ebooks, view your purchases, or make new purchases. The entire system has crashed and likely will not be fixed until the end of the long weekend. Barnes & Noble technical support has confirmed to Goody Reader that the servers are down for maintenance, but they never disclosed the downtime in advance to Nook owners. They failed to email, have a pop-up, or have issued any type of updates on social media. The inability to sync purchases is a kick in the pants for anyone that was hoping to read a good ebook for the long weekend. There is some information coming out of Reddit now that says that store managers have reported and said that there is a virus that came down from the corporate network and filtered down to the stores. It also affected not only the Nook but also cash registers in physical bookstores because they're attached to the same network. So if you're looking to go to Barnes & Noble, they can't actually sell you books this weekend. There's no date in which this will be sorted out.